So, can you tell us your name, where you're from, and what you rode last year?
My name is Anders Westling. I'm here from Saxnäs. Last year's sled was 16 hardcore. The big difference is, I think, it's the 8 tooth wheels. When you just give the throttle, it just pops out of the snow and it ends on the side, and you can just hold a straight line, even how steep it is. And the handlebar, you notice a really good difference if you jump from the other sled to another one. And the handlebars, they are so thin, so it's easier to hold the steering.
Okay. What about the running boards, the narrowed running boards? Did you feel much of a difference? Was it a good, bad?
Yeah, it's also one thing that you notice when you're jumping from the 16 to the 17. Your foot ends up perfectly, and when it's really steep and you got to jump on it, and you got this extra length that you can put your foot forward, it gives the sled the possibility to go straight instead of just going up and you're just sliding down.
Yeah.
And that's a really good step up also.
Good. Yeah, and I've seen some of your pictures that you can ride on a very steep terrain and hold a line very well.
Yeah.
They look good. Okay, well, thank you very much for your feedback.
Thank you.
And everything that you did for us here this weekend.
Thank you also.
Very good.
Thank you.